If you feel like English speaking is an unattainable dream, let us help you realize your English speaking potential. If you are looking for a teacher or instructor or coach who can help you improve your English speaking, so you are at the right place. So guys, welcome to my channel English with Kami, the ultimate destination for mastering the art of English speaking. Hi, I am Kamran Eman, your English speaking instructor or coach or a teacher, and I'm here to help you in improving English speaking. This is our first video, and in this video we will cover the first topic, and that is introduction. How you can introduce yourself.
Tell me about yourself.
In different places. In today's video we will explore the art of introducing yourself effectively and how you can understand that what are the most important things that you should keep in mind while introducing yourself, and what are the common mistakes that people do while introducing themselves in front of audience or sometime in front of some panels or in their interviews. So we will cover all about this topic, and after this video you will be able to introduce yourself effectively and effortlessly. Let's begin. First impression matters, and introducing yourself is the first step towards building a strong and sometimes a weak connection with people or sometimes with your audience. Let's start with the basics. The first thing is your name. State your full name clearly and confidently while introducing yourself. The first thing is your name. For example, my name is Kamran Eman, and in my case, my name is Kamran Eman, and maybe your name. You can say that my name is
Jack. I'm from Queensland.
This is something that you can say. The first thing. And sometimes you can say that I am Kamran Eman in my case. In your case, it may be your name. State your name confidently, clearly, and make sure others can understand your name and state it. Sometimes maybe your name is too long, like my name is Kamran Eman, and when your name is so long, you can state your name first and then you can tell someone the short form of your name, like my name is Kamran Eman, but you can call me Kami. So this is the way you can introduce yourself, or you can state your name. But while introducing yourself, make sure your voice should be clear and easily a person can understand, and it should be able to understand and remember your name. So this is the first step. In next step, you can mention your hometown, your city, or even your country. Like in my case, I'll say that my name is Kamran Eman and I'm from Muzaffarabad, Azad Kashmir.
I'm from Queensland.
These are two things. These are the most important things, and the first and the second thing while introducing yourself. After that, the third thing is your occupation or career, or your current situation in your occupation or career. Like in my case, I'll say my name is Kamran Eman, I'm from Muzaffarabad, Azad Kashmir, and currently I'm working as a teacher, or I'm working as an instructor or a teacher of English. This is the third thing that you should mention in your introduction. And another thing that I would like to tell you that it's our formal introduction, not informal introduction. And in corporate sector, in your job interview, or most of the time whenever you will meet a person, you don't know him or it's a stranger, so you will be formal and you will introduce yourself in a formal way. You will never need to tell him or her everything about yourself. It's not the right thing, and everyone isn't interested in knowing everything about you, because you should be concise, clear, and while introducing yourself, you should be confident. While sharing your personal information, you should be concise and avoid from overwhelming. Don't tell him or her everything about yourself, because you just need to introduce yourself. You do not need to introduce your home, your family, your fellows, like how many brothers or sisters you have, or where you live, or what are your hobbies, because people don't interest in your hobbies, what do you do in your leisure time, and all these stuffs. avoid from all these things. So the fifth step is the duration of your introduction. It should be less than 1 minute, because in a minute you can introduce yourself properly, concisely, and clearly. Another crucial important point about your introducing yourself is your tone and way of delivering your points in front of a panel or interviewer. While introducing yourself, you should be confident, be active, straight, and with little smile you can introduce yourself, and that will be impressive and engage your audience, and it will increase your chances of getting your job, or it will be a good impression for you. And the sixth thing that is also important, while introducing yourself, be genuine, authentic, and don't provide any information that's not belong to you. Like if you are applying for a job interview and you're showing yourself as an expert of something, but in reality you're not, it's not a good thing, and it will decrease your level of confidence, and it will decrease the chances of getting job. So that's why be concise, clear, and be authentic and genuine while introducing yourself. So guys, in this video we have covered our introduction in 6 steps. So the first one is your name. The second one is your hometown or the place where you live. The third one is your profession, your occupation, or your education, or sometimes it may be your job or career, and or in simple the thing that you are doing currently. It's your current situation. The fourth one is avoid from overwhelming. Means tell the thing that's already there in your life. And the fifth one is your tone and voice. And the way you deliver your introduction is most important. Your eye contact, your way of speaking, your way of expressing yourself in front of your instructor, or maybe sometime in front of a panel, because in panel a lot of members will be watching you, and they will be glaring you, and they will try to judge you how you can introduce yourself. And the sixth one is be authentic and genuine. So guys, thank you for joining me in this video, and stay tuned and connected with me, and make sure to subscribe my channel, like and comment the videos, and make sure to give feedback in the comment section. And if you have any single question, you can ask me in the comment section, so I'll try my best to give you the answer of that question. So thank you so much for watching my video, and take care of yourself and others. Have a nice day.